was that?
What? That's how I sneeze, bro. Here, drink a drink. Okay.
What is that? Bro, why do you sneeze like that?
That's how I sneeze, man. What's the problem? What? Sorry.
Well, let that shit out, bro.
Okay. I'm gonna try.
What is wrong with you, man? You better leave, bro. Just go.
Yeah, can't help it.
Yeah.